Hi friends, welcome to the online course on Programming in Python by Hemant Academy. In this session, we are going to see about strings in Python. We have seen that string is one of the data type in Python. Let us revisit the same. String is a sequence of characters enclosed within the matching single or double quotes. It is one of the data type and it is internally represented in the form of an object. In Python, strings are immutable objects. It means the value of an object cannot be changed. We can check this by using id function, which returns the memory address of an object. For example, s equal to hello, id of s, which returns the memory address of the object s. Now change the value of s by using s equal to s plus world. Again use the id function, that is id of s. Now you can notice the memory address of the object s in previous one and the present object s are different. The len built-in function is used to return the length of the string. Example, msg equal to Python is easy to learn. Len of msg is 24. In the same way, len of hello will return 5. Basic string operations. String concatenation is the common basic operation which we perform using the plus operator. For example, a equal to hello, b equal to world, c equal to a plus within quotes a single space plus b. This will concatenate the value of a along with one space, then the value of b. The resultant string will be stored in the variable c. String repetition. An asterisk operator is used for repeating that string up to n times. Example, hello into 3 will repeat the string hello up to 3 times. String indexing. We know that the strings are stored in the form of sequence of characters. The index of first character starts from 0. The index of the last character is length of the string minus 1. We can also use negative index value to access or refer the characters from the end of the string. The index value minus 1 refers the index of the last character, and the index value minus 2 refers the character before the last character, and so on. Example, s equal to Hemant. S of 0 will be h, and we can also access part of the string using start and stop index parameters. The resultant substring will not include the character at the stop index. S of 2:5 will fetch the string from index 2 to 4. S of :5 will return the first 5 characters, that is from index 0 to 4. Traversing through the string. In general, traversing through the string can be performed by the following two methods. That is, one is iterating through the elements of the string. Second method, accessing characters through the index. For example, s equal to Hemant. Iterating through the elements of the string, that is for ch in s : This will fetch one character for each iteration up to the end of the string for performing any operation. In the same way, for accessing the characters through an index, the syntax will be for some variable name, that is I in range 0, len of that string, that is len of s. Within the for loop, we can access the character specific to the index to perform some operation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.